Welcome to Digi's your all-in-one open marketing platform. Your VIT class teacher is Nadir Habib.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I build my own AI image model using n8n, connected it to my workflow and then deployed it directly on my WordPress website. Let's get started. First of all, we check a final result of the image model, and here's my website. That take and prompt and put my email which I have received a final image and the final logo. We just simple prompt, make a 22-year boy image with t-shirt, have that logo appear and dancing on beach side. Submit a request. In just 20 seconds we receive an email and the final image we make. You see that our request is submitted and we receive an email of our final image. You see that's perfection of that image. You just is freely, it's completely free. You can unlimited image make with their website. It's completely free. You just need an email and enter the prompt. If you have the reference images, you just upload the 3 reference images under 5 MBs and you just submit a request, and you here in just 20 seconds you receive and the final look image. That is image model is nano banana. In today's video we make a tool that allow connect APIs and AI models together without needing advanced coding is n8n. I use it my build my own nano banana AI model that generate images based on prompt. The cool part that can integrate it your website like that. And in that video we that is our image model. You can see that is the webhook URLs that receive the that is the webhook production URL I put here. That is the form and just simple the webhooks calls. I submit here my webhook URL and that's immediately, and the HTTP message is always be post and submit any form. If anybody submit a form that receive the data of the webhooks, if you have a reference images, if anybody give you reference image, that the true. If not anybody give you reference image, that the false, and submit a image. I show you what is that is the image URL separator. In that part we check that. You can see that is the true. We in the last image I make a 22-year by image model image, make the prompt, and here's I give the reference image, and that's condition is true, that path be straight, and the image URL separator is the image URL separate. That image is URL to the base64 file, and that base64 file is the one in just only we upload the one image is come to the one path. If anybody give you 2 image, that generate 2 base URLs and they come to the base 2 path, and if anybody give you the 3 URLs, and that come in the 3 path. I just upload the one image and that image is come. You can see that we make open router API key. You just need a credential of the open router. That model is the open nano banana model. It's completely flow and it's completely free. Here you can see that image, that is the image model. It's completely free. and you can see that that is the latency and that is the final preview image. That is also called the nano banana. And the credential of the open router, here you just connect the credentials, here the API key, and you just enter the go here and key section and activate your key and get key is completely free. And just create your API key and that give your key. You see that you enter the enter the name, enter the limit. Optional is the option, just you enter and that's the copy of your API key and insert here, and your open router is completely. You can see that there is the headers file, content type, application JSON, that is the JSON body. We just, you can see that that is the text of the make a 20-year boy, and that is the URL. We make sure that image png base 64, and after that the base URL we needed to make any image of the reference in nano banana model. In that section that can separate the base 64 URL with that data image base 64 to that can base 64 URLs, and that base 64 URL is come to the API that is the API model we use, that is the API. You can see that my profile, and here's I every image, and here's you can get API, and just you add API and that copy API key, and that the production URLs get that you see URLs, you just copy that C URL, and that is the JSON body. If you need it, that copy, just need to HTTPS node. You see that you just need HTTPS node and the paste your C URL in here. You can see that you paste just C URL is, you see that import that the HTTPS you make, and here you can paste your key of the IGMB, that is your key, that is your key. You just paste that API not use in your project because it's error. You see that, and delete that HTTPS node, and that when the image URL is make in your life in the, you see that here the final image. I can just guide you, not explain the completely to make how to make n8n workflow. Is very complicated, you can see in YouTube. And we just ask about the, we just tell you how I make and how can you do. We just ask you and guide you is the complete explanation in here. I just totally see, you can see that also in email section. Here's your put your API key, you just email paste here of the final first when they receive the email. You can see that that email the user submit, in that email we request a image, and the image is sent in the request if any user can ask. You can see that, and the final if the anybody see a request, and the date time and the email and the image prompt and the reference image and the final image come into my Google Sheet. That is the lead extraction of the if anybody you can there extract the emails and approach in here like a lead generation method. You can see that is the completely free model, AI image model. You can unlimited image make. If you need that JSON file, you ask me, I share you the completely free, and you easily deployed in your website. You just come to my WhatsApp channel, and here you get the JSON. I give that reference docs in document in the descriptions, and here you just copy that doc and paste in your projects. So I guide you completely what I do, deploying to website, extra future, Google Sheet, and email output, and the final is so goodbye. Where we meet in the next tutorial. So goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe now.